All right, so today I'm going to show you how to make the two pegs for our pegboard toy. So we're working on becoming a level 1 inventor, making all of the part files that we need. So we're going to click new, and we're making a new part. Or I can click new up here and then click standard part and go ahead and click create. And I'm going to create each one of these pegs as its own part file so that later when I assemble my pegboard toy, I can put them each into my pegboard toy separately. So for the rectangular peg, if I look at my directions here, it tells me to open a new part file and create a square 1 by 1 inch by 3 inches long, and then save that as square peg as an IPT file. This is going to be a basic extrusion. So if I do a 2D sketch, and I choose a plane to start sketching on, I need to start with a square that's 1 by 1 inch. So I'm going to click my center point, and I can type in 1 inch and 1 inch, and I lock that into place, and I finish my sketch. Now it says it needs to be 3 inches long, so that's going to be a basic extrusion. I'm going to click extrude, and it says to 3 inches. I can zoom out so you can see the whole thing. And this is my basic square peg, 1 inch by 1 inch, extruded to 3 inches. I could choose a fun color to make that, or I can make it out of a fun material, like a wooden peg. Or machine metal. And then it says to save it as square peg IPT. So I'm going to do a file, save as. Remember, I want to save it to that flash drive I have so that if I work on a different computer tomorrow, I can still use it. So we're going to go to the removable disk E. I might make a new folder in my drive or in my disk here that's called pegboard toy part files. And that one it tells me to make as a square peg. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then that part file is done. Notice I have a tab down here. So if I open a new one, a new part, I can have another one open down here. Now, to make the circle peg or the round peg, you're going to do the same thing. But this time, instead of drawing a square that we're going to extrude, we're going to draw a circle. So 2D sketch, choose the plane. And then this time we're going to use a circle with a center point and the radius. So I choose the center point. Now careful, because we are choosing here what we want to be the diameter of that circle. So make sure that you're looking at the diameter on your paper. You can draw the circle, finish that sketch, and then just like we did with the square, you're going to use your extrude button up here to extrude it to 3 inches long. I'm going to rely on you to do just like you did with the square. I'm not going to show you how. I'm hoping that you can figure that one out on your own. When you're done, you're going to go ahead and click Save As. This is going to be called your round peg. And it should be an IPT file. Save, make sure, on your flash drive. That's it. That's all you need to do for those first two pegs of your pegboard. Good luck.